The journey begins where banana blossoms first grow.
Only mature banana blossoms are selected. Harvesting protects the banana blossom structure.
Care prevents early damage.
Quality begins at the source. Harvest transitions into logistics.
Freshness is preserved immediately.
The factory calls the harvest forward. Banana blossoms leave the field behind. The journey continues toward processing. Fresh harvest moves without delay.
Stability protects the product.
Speed meets precision. Environment matters in transit. Harvest meets industry. The factory receives its raw material.
Order guides every arrival.
Positioning enables flow.
Banana blossoms enter the system.
Banana blossoms arrive at industrial scale.
The factory opens its gates. Banana blossoms move from road to process. Automation begins immediately. Flow replaces bulk.
Confirmed.
Human eyes guard quality.
Cleaning awaits the banana blossom.
Individual handling begins.
Order is engineered. Processing begins in motion. Banana blossoms are washed at the source.
Rotation ensures complete cleaning.
Impurities are separated immediately. Final rinsing refines cleanliness.
Moisture is reduced before inspection.
Quality sorting begins here.
Only suitable blossoms move forward.
Consistency is engineered. Human precision completes sorting. Banana blossoms are ready for transformation. Banana blossoms enter core processing. Excess is removed with accuracy. Structure is carefully divided. Uniformity is created at speed. Fresh color is preserved. Moisture is carefully controlled. Quality is measured invisibly. Volume builds without interruption. The transformation phase begins. Heat reshapes the banana blossom.
Moisture is driven out precisely.
Structure is set for the next stage. Structure is set for the next stage. Speed is carefully balanced.
Humans' checks validate machines.
Cooling prepares the blossom further. Flow is redirected with precision.
Banana blossoms meet industrial speed.
Automation accelerates banana blossom processing.
Machines decide in milliseconds. Precision sustains speed.
Data drives every decision.
Uniform portions maintain efficiency. Speed never sacrifices control. Accuracy is automated.
Systems move as one.
Density maximizes throughput. Banana blossoms near completion. Precision shapes the final form. Details are refined.
Texture becomes consistent.
Surfaces meet standards. Balance is verified. Uniform edges signal readiness.
Human trust reinforces automation.
Order prepares for packing.
Final evaluation begins.
Quality control receives the banana blossom.
Samples represent the entire flow.
Visual standards are enforced.
Texture confirms processing accuracy. Moisture levels are verified.
Safety testing protects consumers.
Data authorizes release.
Quality is conformed.
Verified product moves forward.
The banana blossom clears final control. Banana blossom slices are prepared for precise packaging. Each portion meets strict weight standards.
Slices are aligned for safe sealing.
Packaging scales to volume. Order forms for transport. Packaging scales to industrial volume. Storage completes the internal journey.
Distribution stands ready.
Distribution begins as the journey continues. And this is how modern factories produce banana blossoms from start to finish.